Wow, look at this backdrop. Love it up here in the PNW. This is Evergreen Speedway, playing host to round 6 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship Type S Throwdown. Send it, Formula Drift Nation. Simon Olsen, Jeff Jones. I'll tell you what, Jeff Jones wants this. Jeff has to back up, but then look, guess what? I'm right there, Mr. Norway. Oh, buddy. Frederick, nice and high on that outside zone 1. Beecham a little bit lower now, coming to the power alley. Beecham now into this last outside zone. Can he take down Frederick? Oh! This place is erupting right now. What do you say, Seattle? And Jamesy, look at him. He's pushing Jones around, but if Jones just keeps it right, oh, buddy. Wow! What an amazing initiation. Oh, Shanahan makes a mistake. Big correction. There he goes. He's straight through. Matt Field, Ryan Turk. What an absolutely iconic battle here. Ryan Turk gets the win. Odie currently sitting second. This is big for the championship. Manoa and LZ to get into the finals. Here we go. Good composure there by Adam LZ in that final outside zone. That got a little sketchy. Our finals are set. Oh no, we are hearing that Hiro Manoa is out. Ryan Turk will have a celebratory run. Ryan Turk gets the win here in Seattle. We'll see you in line or we'll see you another time. Send it, Formula Drift Nation.